Week 8, Inca Beginnings and Endings, October 8th through 14th. Inca Vocab Assignment, due Thursday, October 11th, 2018 at 11:57 p.m. Let's do some more vocabulary before we continue. Remember, here's how we do vocab in this class. We do vocabulary in 3 parts. Every word must have the dictionary definition. Also, one that you rewrote to show me you understand the original definition in your own words. Also include a picture that you feel represents the word and the definition you provided. Here is my example for the word sassafras. Sassafras. Definition from the dictionary: a deciduous North American tree with aromatic leaves and bark. The leaves are infused to make tea or ground into file. Definition in your own words: a tree that smells good and the leaves can be used to make tea. Picture you found to represent the word. So remember, for full credit, dictionary definition, personal definition, and picture. Here are the 7 words for this week's vocabulary: Cusco, conquistador, Civil War, Atahualpa, Viracocha. That might actually be Viracocha. Francisco Pizarro, Tawanitsuyu, hydraulic. Create a Google Doc or other document to complete this vocab assignment and put your completed assignment here in the Dropbox by the due date.